Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share some fascinating space news with you today. We're starting off with a story that's out of this world, literally. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen a bright light zip by, leaving a trail of sparks behind it? You might have wondered what it was, a shooting star, a meteor, or maybe even a piece of space debris. Well, today we're going to dive into the world of meteors and meteorites and explore their origins. It turns out that meteors are actually small rocks from space that enter our atmosphere and burn up, producing those bright streaks of light we see in the sky. They can come from asteroids or comets, and they've been traveling through space for billions of years. Some of these rocks are big enough to make it through our atmosphere and land on Earth, and when they do, they're called meteorites. Meteorites are really rare and valuable to scientists because they provide a window into the early days of our solar system. They can give us clues about how the planets formed and what the conditions were like back then. And if you're lucky enough to find one, it could be a real treasure trove of information. But how do meteors and meteorites form in the first place? It all starts with asteroids and comets, which are leftover building blocks from the formation of our solar system. Asteroids are mostly found in the inner solar system, while comets are typically found in the outer reaches. When these objects collide with each other or get too close to the sun, they can break apart and send small rocks hurtling through space. As we learn more about meteors and meteorites, we're also learning more about the history of our solar system and how it evolved over time. It's a fascinating topic that continues to capture the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we're exploring the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share another fascinating story with you today. We've been talking about meteors and meteorites, but now let's shift our gaze to the heart of our galaxy, the Milky Way. Imagine a region so dense with stars, magnetic fields, and gas that it's like a cosmic cauldron, brewing up all sorts of exotic phenomena. This is the galactic center, home to a supermassive black hole that dominates the landscape. Now, astronomers using NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory have made a remarkable discovery in this intriguing neighborhood. They've found what appears to be a supernova remnant, the expanding remains of an exploded star. If confirmed, this would be one of the closest supernova remnants ever discovered to the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy. Supernova remnants are like cosmic fertilizers, providing essential elements like iron, oxygen, and silicon that are crucial for the formation of planets and life as we know it. These elements are forged in the intense heat and energy of an exploding star, and then dispersed throughout the galaxy, enriching the interstellar medium with the raw materials needed for new stars and planets to form. The discovery of this possible supernova remnant is a significant one, as it could provide insights into the history and evolution of our galaxy. By studying the remnants of exploded stars, astronomers can learn more about the conditions that led to their demise and how these events have shaped the galaxy over billions of years. As we continue to explore the universe, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the cosmos. From the smallest subatomic particles to the vast expanse of the galaxy, everything is connected, and every discovery has the potential to reveal new secrets about the nature of reality itself. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, let's venture into the fascinating realm of asteroids, those ancient, rocky remnants that hold secrets of our solar system's formation. NASA's Lucy mission has been making headlines with its groundbreaking discoveries, and one recent finding is particularly intriguing. Imagine a small, peanut-shaped asteroid, roughly 1 kilometer in diameter, orbiting the Sun in the vast expanse of the main asteroid belt. This is Donald Johanson, named after the famous fossilized skeleton of a human ancestor discovered in Ethiopia in 1974. What makes this asteroid so special? For starters, it's relatively young, estimated to be around 155 million years old, which is youthful compared to other asteroids like Bennu and Ryugu, which are thought to have formed 1 to 2 billion years ago. As NASA's Lucy spacecraft flew by Donald Johanson at an incredible 30,000 miles per hour, it detected something remarkable: iron-rich clay minerals on the asteroid's surface. These clays are a telltale sign of brief water exposure in the distant past. But here's the fascinating part. Unlike Bennu and Ryugu, which showed signs of prolonged water exposure, Donald Johanson's encounter with water was fleeting. This difference in water exposure history may indicate that the parent bodies of these asteroids formed at different times or in different regions of the solar system before relocating to the main belt. The fact that Donald Johanson has remained in the asteroid belt since its birth, while Bennu and Ryugu migrated into orbits that bring them close to Earth's orbit, adds another layer of complexity to the story. The Lucy mission is poised to reveal even more secrets about our solar system's formation as it explores Jupiter's Trojan asteroids, a population of well-preserved space rocks that formed early in our solar system's history. By comparing and contrasting these asteroids, scientists can piece together the puzzle of how our planets formed and moved around before settling into their current configuration. As we gaze up at the stars, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the cosmos. The study of asteroids like Donald Johanson is a testament to human curiosity and our drive to understand the universe. So, keep looking up at those stars, and who knows what secrets we'll uncover next. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.